For this project, I chose to do the Middle Colonies. For slide 1, I put down the Middle Colonies resources, climate, and commerce. For resources, I wrote down furs and skins, which could be found throughout the entire Middle Colonies, as well as cattle and grain. Tobacco could only be found in Delaware. Iron was found in New Jersey and Pennsylvania, and timber, which was found in New York, Pennsylvania, and today's Maine. Next, climate. The Middle Colonies had rich, fertile soil, which allowed them to have longer growing seasons. Then finally, commerce. Cash crops were grown so they could earn a lot of money, and for business, merchants, farmers, and artisans. Slide 2, the important people. Quakers, they condemned slavery. African Americans, they were enslaved and free. New York City had the most slaves than any other northern city. Artisans became ironworkers and made glass, furniture, and kitchenware. William Penn, who established Pennsylvania, and Dutch and German farmers who were bought for farming skills and influenced culture of the Middle Colonies. Slide 3 is the Middle Colonies' important events. Racism. Slave trade was an important part of the city's economy. Many African Americans were brought to New York City to serve wealthy families. And then a free black community developed in New York City, and they could own property. Then diverse population. Germans formed one of the largest groups in the region. Pennsylvania didn't tax people in order to support a particularly denomination, so a lot of people were attracted to Pennsylvania for those reasons. And growing cities, trade helped the Middle Colonies grow. Productive farms, many crops were grown, and they were known for their grain especially, and they were called the breadbasket colony. And Quakers condemned slavery. The Quakers were the first ones to stand up against slavery.